Welcome, my name is Max Hackman and today we're going to check out the Salem Health database. The first thing we want to do is scroll down and select the database link on the right hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases. We'll select the S, and the Salem Health is right here. We'll select that one. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please reach out to us through chat or email and we can help you out with that right away. Once you get in here, you'll have a couple different options. You can enter some keyword searching over here and kind of limit your results to what you're looking for. Or you can come in and just kind of search through any one of these options here. And once you get into that specific area, it'll give you even more options to search for. So let's select AIDS. And once you find the subject you're looking for, you'll have some more information. So who wrote this article that we're looking at here is kind of the background information. Over here on the left hand side you'll get kind of a table of contents, the citation, which is right here. You can also scroll down to the bottom of the page, so it'll be provided for you. You can save this article, you can print it, you can email it. It's also working with Google Drive that you can use. Here's some table of contents, so you can jump down immediately to a specific section if you're looking for. Below this is actually a useful tip here about speaking to a healthcare provider about this specific topic. These are some frequently asked questions, so that's very helpful as well. And if we scroll down even below that, here's also some other infectious diseases that have something to do with HIV or a reason why you might want to look them up together. So keep that in mind. And then if we scroll down, we can see some further readings available, some websites of interest, and then also, like I was saying, the citation is down here at the bottom. If you have any questions or have any issues using this website, please reach out to us through chat or email.